Hi, it's Saturday, and I'm going to make a video that is really useless of nothing. That is me talking to my boyfriend on the phone. Hi. Sup? What? Nothing? Nothing's up. Did I miss something?
No.
The phone's dying and now I'm sad.
That makes me sad.
It makes me really sad, and I don't know where any other phones are except for in my dad's room. That sucks.
Sucks.
If I end up hanging up on you on accident, it's not my fault.
I won't get to tell you goodnight. And the voices. No.
But if it does hang up, then I'll probably go find another one. Okay?
Okay.
Even though we've been talking for 2 hours and 53 minutes already. Oh god, that means it's really dying.
I don't like that.
It's beeping like regularly now, and now it's sad.
You do regularly now?
Yeah, it's doing it a lot.
I don't like that.
I don't like that either. I think I'm gonna go try to find another phone, okay?
Okay?
If it hangs up while I'm gone, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Alright. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go.